Hello, I'm Krishna Raghavendran, and in this tutorial of MIT App Inventor, we are going to create Speaking Clock app. So before we start, please like the video, subscribe and click the notification icon so that you will be notified when I create new MIT App Inventor tutorials. So first we are going to put a background image. I'm going to put the background image to be a gradient. So here you can see the gradient background image. Now let's bring in a label and we are going to show the time in this label. So I'm going to put this label to be at the center of the screen. So to do that, I'm going to put align horizontal and align vertical to be center. Now you can see that the label came to the center of the screen. Now let's increase the font size to be 35 and I'm going to put the font to be bold. Now let's erase all the text from the label. We are going to bring a button and the text of the button is going to be speak. So when someone clicks this speak button, the mobile will tell the time. It will speak it out. Now we are going to put this font to be bold and then let's put the background color of this to be orange. This one, orange. Now let's go to the media section and we are going to bring text to speech. So when they click this speak button, it will speak it out using text to speech. Now from the sensor section, we are going to bring clock. So we are going to use this to find the time. Now let's go to the block section. So when clock1.timer, which means the timer has started, we have put the interval to be 1000 milliseconds is 1 second. So for every 1 second, the clock will update the time and it will show it in the label. So here we are going to put set label 1.text to. So to put the time, we are going to bring the join block first. And now let's go to the clock. And here we are going to bring hour instant. And then we will bring minute instant and then second instant. Now we are going to show all these three, hour, minute and second. Now here in this instant, we are going to put the block to be clock1.now. Let's duplicate this and we are going to put the same thing for minute and seconds. Now we are going to show all these three. So we are going to use the join block. So first we will show the hour instant and then I'm going to put a colon to be at the middle. So let's put some text here. I'm going to put colon. Now we are going to bring another string to the join block and in this string we are going to put the minute so that the minute will be visible. Now let's again bring another string. Here we are going to put the colon again to separate the minutes and seconds. Now and then in the next string we are going to put the seconds. Now after we do this, the time will be visible in label 1 and it will be updated every 1 second because you can see that the timer interval is 1000 milliseconds, which is 1 second. Now let's see how we can make the clock to speak. We are going to use text to speech. So when they click button 1, which is the speak button, here in text to speech we are going to put speak message. The message is going to be, again we are going to use the join block and here let's type some text. The mobile will speak the time is and then let's put a space. Now here we are going to put the hour instant, this block, and then now we are going to bring another string. It will say the hour and then we are going to put a space between the hour and the minutes. Now let me put a space here. Now we are going to put another string. In this string we are going to put the minute instant so that it will tell the hours and the minutes. I think seconds is not needed because it needs to update for every 1 second. So hour and minute is enough for text to speech. Now let's see how the app looks in the mobile and let's test the app. You can see it shows the hours, minutes and seconds. And now let me click on speak.
The time is 12:52.
So you can see that the app is working. So do you want to create more mobile apps like this? I have put many tutorials on creating apps using MIT App Inventor in my channel. So you can check out my channel and subscribe. Thank you.